Afghanistan's parliament has blocked a law aimed at protecting women's freedoms. This is a severe blow to women's rights in the conservative Muslim country a dozen years after the ousting of the hardline Taliban regime. The law was approved by President Hamid Karzai back in 2009, but the parliament's endorsement was required. This followed with much dispute between secular and conservative members of the assembly. Religious members objected to 8 articles in the legislation and ruled them as un-Islamic. The law included bans on child marriage, bans on the practice of selling and buying women to settle disputes, and cutting the number of wives permitted to 2. Fawzia Kafi, a lawmaker representing Badakhshan province, said the law was withdrawn because of severe opposition.
There is a decree, that's right, but maybe next year when the new president comes, he will deal with this decree as a political issue. So therefore we wanted to change this decree as a law and get the vote of parliamentarian for this law. Unfortunately, there were some conservative elements who were opposing this law. But why I'm disappointed, because there were also women who were opposing this law.
The Assembly will consider the law again at a later date, and according to an Afghan lawmaker, Mullah Turakal Mohammadi, the issues that violate Islamic principles will be eliminated.
This issue has been postponed and there will be a logical debate about it. The issue against Islamic Sharia will be eliminated and presented again to the lower house of parliament. But if the articles which are against Islam still remain in this law, whoever votes for it will get out of the circle of Islam, even if they are our brothers or sisters.
Women have won back their rights to education and work since the fall of the Taliban. But now there are fears of these freedoms being taken away with NATO withdrawing from Afghanistan by the end of next year. The decrease in security is discouraging some women from seeking work, and rights workers have accused the government of not doing enough to protect women.